Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Today's video is about how to download Python and how to install Python. So let's get started. Let's see how to download Python for 64-bit operating system users and how to download Python for 32-bit operating system users. Kindly check the description of this video. Under download link section, you will find my website link. Click on it. Now when you scroll down a little bit, you will find a link under download link. Click on the link. Don't worry at all. This is the Python official website link. You can clearly see it on the left bottom of the screen. Okay, click on it. Now here under stable release, there are lots of Python packages. Try to find executable installer. 64-bit operating system user, click on this download Windows x86 64 executable installer, and for 32-bit operating system users, click on this download Windows x86 executable installer. If you don't know what is your system type, then go to your desktop, open this PC, right click on this PC and click on properties. Now right here you will find your system type. Are you using a 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system? For a note, 32-bit operating system user will not able to install the 64-bit executable installer file, but 64-bit operating system user will able to install the 32-bit executable installer file. Now get back to Python website. Click on download. Since I am a 64-bit operating system user, I am downloading Windows x86 64-bit executable installer file. Before I show you how to install Python, I want you to kindly visit my gaming channel named as Spapno. Link is in the description of this video. Kindly click on the link and make sure to subscribe. I hope to see you there. Okay, so that's been said, let's get back to how to install Python. To be honest, there are no separate steps to install Python for 32-bit operating system users and for 64-bit operating system users. Python installing process will be same for both operating system users. Okay, double click to open installer. First of all, make sure to check this add Python to path. This will help you to run Python from CMD. Uncheck this if you don't want to install the launcher for all users. Click on customize installation. If you want to uncheck any of these, you can do it. It's your choice. I am leaving all this checked. Click on next. You can do the same with all of this. If you want, you can check it. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Now the point is, where do you want to install this Python? So I want to install this Python in my C drive, program files, Python folder. Let me show you where I'm installing. You can install it anywhere you want to. You can install it in your D drive or any other drive if you have any. Okay, now after selecting the location, click on install. Click on yes. Obviously, you need administrator permission to install this. Okay, if you are having this disable path limit, click on it. If you are not having, it's okay. Now click on close. Now open this PC. Right click on this PC and click on properties. Then click on advanced system settings. Then click on advanced and then click on environment variables. Then under system variables, double click on path and check are you having these two paths listed here or not. If you having these two paths listed here, then good. If you are not, then go to the location where you have installed your Python. In my case, I have installed it in my C drive program files, Python 38. Now click on here and cut the path. Open Notepad. Right click and paste the location. Now open scripts folder. Click on here and cut this path. Close the folder and paste it right here. Now what you have to do is you have to add it like this. Okay, you can add script first and then this one, but you have to make it so that you are adding these two paths one by one. Let me show you how you can add it. What you have to do is select like this, cut, click on new, Ctrl V, paste it, then cut, click on new, right click and paste, click on OK and close all of this. You can close Notepad also. Now type cmd on your start, open command prompt and type Python. As you can see, you are getting all this information along with your current Python version. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Python. Before I end this video, I want to remind you, if you still didn't subscribe my gaming channel named as Spapno, then please do me a favor, kindly check the description of this video and subscribe my gaming channel. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell button so that you never miss my upcoming videos. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.